What are we gonna make?
We are going to make fruit leather.
Okay, is that your favorite thing to eat?
Not really, but sure.
We found a few. We're gonna make what out of all of these? Liam.
Fruit leather.
Yeah. It's a little rainy and wet out there today, but there's still a lot of berries. Most of the white ones have been picked over, but there's a few there and red ones. So we're picking the black ones. But they made really good fruit leather.
I think we're gonna mix all of them together to make like one.
Yeah, I think also we can mix them with raspberries. It could be nice.
Oh, that's a good
Okay,
idea.
we get a pack of them, pick some more. You usually have to lift them up, and you can see, like, you just lift them up like this. You can see a lot of them there. Okay. But you're all good. You're already cleaning them.
Yeah, taking out the stems.
Okay, let's go over to the next bush. There's a lot of berries. Have you seen the blueberries
No.
over here? Yeah, there's some of them are getting ripe too. It's kind of fun. So, what are these?
They are red currants.
I think blackcurrants. And you and Noah picked those last night, right? And where do they grow?
They grow right out there.
Okay, which is right outside our apartment. So we grow lots of berries in our courtyard with our neighbors. So we're gonna use these. These are quite tart, if you don't know anything about them, but they're delicious and they have a lot of flavor. So we're gonna make fruit leather from those. We also have red and white currants out there. So, but this is a black. And the funny thing is, the neighbors love the white. And I don't think that they see the white because they miss the white, but they definitely like the red ones. But the black ones they seem to leave for us, which not a problem.
Yay.
We're gonna sweeten it. Yeah. So this is 2 ingredients. Well, it's gonna be currants and maple syrup, and that's it. And we're gonna actually dry it in the oven because we don't have a dehydrator anymore. We donated that when we moved from San Diego to the school. So we're using a hot air oven, but you can do this in a dehydrator also. Okay, so we got a blender. You can probably do this in the food processor as well. We got the maple syrup, and what I'm gonna do is, because this is 2 tablespoons, I think that's gonna be enough, but I'm gonna sort of taste it. We kind of want them to be a little bit tart because I'm thinking might roll them in sugar afterwards to make that little sweet tart candy.
Blackcurrants.
Woohoo! Oh, get all of them in there. No twigs. Okay, and then add the maple syrup. I'm not gonna add any liquid because these are quite liquidy as is, and we don't want it to be too liquidy. Okay, you wanna put the lid on? Do you know how to put the lid on? Do you want to blend them? I have it over here. It's small. Okay, just do like that until they. Nope. No. That one. Ooh. Let's get closer up. Are you worried about the seeds? Just add a little extra crunch. Oh, I love the color. You want to take a taste?
It's really good. Like,
What a fun! We should always make smoothies after we have used the blender to blend up some fruit for something.
yeah, it has all the tastes that I want.
Well, and you haven't grown up eating a whole lot of currants because, well, they didn't exist in San Diego. All right, Liam, let's spread it. Yes, yeah, spread it when it get out. Just try to get it all on.
I make non-vegan ice cream and I don't eat it because
You make non-vegan ice cream? When?
I'm being sarcastic.
Oh! Okay, so we're gonna spread it evenly and keep it on. So, let me just, yeah, get it on. Exactly. It's going to make a thin layer and even so it will dry out. Yeah, see how beautiful and even? Gonna put it in.
I love this snack.
50 Celsius, so this is gonna take a while. And since I'm using a hot air oven, what I would do once in a while, this might take about 10 hours, I think. I will open and let out some steam. And that's it. All right, it's done.
I'm so excited.
Okay, so Liam, can you peel it off? Very gently. Did you smell it? In the oven, it smelled like, actually, it reminded me of something from my childhood.
What was it?
Which was always this drink that my great grandma would make with blackberries, blackcurrants.
There's a small hole there.
That's okay. Oh my God, hold it up. Okay, so now we're gonna cut it into
It's
smaller.
more smooth here, but
Yes, that's okay. Okay, let's start. I'm gonna give you a scissors so you can start cutting it. Okay.
okay. Thin strips. Oopsies, getting a little wide.
Yeah, we make a couple of those, and I think we roll them up, and then we put them into something. Oh, first one. Do you want to take a bite to just see what it's like?
It's better than the store-bought ones.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're excited, and think about all the flavors we can do.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so slice them up, baby.
Like here?
Mm-hmm. Whatever like size you think will be fine.
Do I just leave it here like
You can leave it on there and just do.
This was quite easy to peel off.
Mm-hmm. Those silicone mats are fantastic.
Yeah.
So what other flavors are we gonna make? I think we should make one blueberry. I think we should make
Strawberry?
strawberry.
Raspberry.
Oh, plum. I love plums, and we have plums in the fridge. And oh, cherry,
Plum?
cherry. We're gonna make a cherry one. But I think the focus should be that we're gonna make Swedish berries on fruit.
Yes.
Because in the winter, when we don't have any berries, this is gonna be really yummy. And by the way, we have way more currants. We have white currants, we have black currants, and we have red currants. We can make
The
that.
white currant looks so weird.
But people can see them, so that's why the neighbors like miss them, I think. Because there's so many of them left, because they kind of see through. But
Yeah,
I like
they're
them.
so
They have a very nice flavor because the black currants are quite strong in taste. I don't mind them.
I feel like they're really good.
Yeah, and then the red ones has like a very fresh taste, and then the white ones are very mild.
I love doing that.
You have more stripes. So what do you think if we like press this into like little sugar? So it'll be a little bit sweet and sour. So
That's a good idea.
why don't you cut them all and then we'll do that, okay? And then we'll roll them up and put them in a nice jar that you guys can like. Okay, Liam has, as you can see, made a lot of fruit leather. This one is mango and strawberry. And you can see some of them he actually he rolled them a little bit in sugar. Why?
Because those ones were mixed berries and they were very sour.
Yeah, because of a black currant in them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Black and white.
And Liam, well, we should have put more maple syrup in it. We thought that it tasted better, but one thing we learned is when they dry, they do tend to get maybe a little bit either sweeter or a little bit sour. So we just roll those in, and look how beautiful. So just point out, that's the mixed ones that have.
Yeah, these ones are just black currants. These ones are mango and raspberry. These ones are black and white currants, and these ones black and red and white.
Mm-hmm.
And these ones are the ones that I'm making now. The
Strawberry mango.
strawberry mango.
Yeah, and what? And that we have these and that.
And these are the blueberry.
Blueberries. Are they good?
Yeah.
They're all good.